Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wolf. So in this video I will be discussing about crude oil and gold especially. So I'm on the crude oil's daily time frame chart, and as of now you can clearly see, if you have watched my previous commodity special video in which I talked about crude oil and my entry setups, that when I will enter in a long position in crude oil and when not. Well, I did entered in a long position in crude oil at 7th of July. As you can clearly see, the price of crude oil came near my important gray zone, which is at $65 level. So I entered over here. If you are watching my previous videos, you already know I only trade crude oil if it is above $65 level, meaning this gray zone. If the price of crude oil is below this gray zone, then I will avoid taking any trade. That's why I did not entered here in a long position, and I wait for the price of crude oil to pump towards the upside and then come for a retest here. Then I will enter in a long position. Obviously it is risky because crude oil can dump towards the downside as well, but as of now it is pumping towards the upside in my favor, so it is pretty good. I entered in a long position when the price of crude oil was coming back at this gray zone at the $65 mark for a retest. So I entered over here, somewhat over here at $65.79 approx. My stop loss is as of now $63.68, and my take profit is 71.6. Well, I was thinking my main take profit is this level 72.82, but it will be a very huge level, and so as of now I'm just aiming for a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So my first take profit is obviously here at $71.7. Then obviously my second take profit will be here 72.8, and my third take profit will be 74.4. Basically second and third take profit will lie here in this important purple zone, and there are no obscure any secrets or anything, and this is just my personal trade, and no financial advice. Don't copy trade me. So this is my crude oil trade, and obviously if I'm long on crude oil, then I expect the price of crude oil to pump towards the upside from here, but it all depends on the fundamental news and the macroeconomics, what is happening in the world as of now. But I expect the price of crude oil to pump from here. So this is just a quick trade update from my side. Also a quick analysis on silver. The price of silver right now is making a new all-time high, and for the past couple of weeks I've seen people talking more about silver, and one funny thing is that the price of silver is right now at its all-time high, and for the past few weeks the price of silver is just pumping towards the upside, and then only I heard people talking more about silver. Rubbish topics they were talking about silver, that yeah, we are bullish because of this reason, because of that reason. And I'm like, these people only talk about an asset when it is pumping towards the upside. When it has already started to pump towards the upside, these people think that that asset is just the future. Same is with Bitcoin, same is with silver, and same is with every other asset. When it is already pumping towards the upside, then people say that, oh yeah, this is the future, this is the best asset, everyone is buying it, government is buying this and that. They will pull up every kind of statistical data to prove themselves right, and guess what, just a matter of time when that asset will again dump towards the downside, and all of them, the majority 99% people will end up being exit liquidity, and only the few people will make money who are smart investors and who are already long in silver or have bought silver way early before. And all of these people who started to react after the price pumps towards the upside is just rubbish according to me. So as of now the price of silver is near its all-time high, and me personally, I'm not taking any trade in silver. I'm not going short, I'm not going long, nothing as of now. It is obviously very risky. I'll wait for the price of silver to dump towards the downside, most probably at this level approx $35.9. Then maybe I can enter in a long position, or if it breaks this level towards the downside, then I can enter in a short position as well, but obviously it will be a very risky trade on silver, and I'm avoiding it. And also talking about gold, because silver is making new all-time high but gold is still stuck. Gold made an all-time high and then it is, I won't say it is dumping towards the downside, it is just consolidating a bit and slowly again moving back up. So as you can clearly see right over here, this type of pattern, which it is called ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern because the support always goes up. That means there is a pressure in the support, buyers are pushing their support price above and above and above, and there is same kind of resistance, and soon this resistance can break out towards the upside. But these type of patterns can be bearish patterns as well. I've seen them breaking down towards the downside as well plethora of times. So it is better for me to avoid taking any trade in gold also, because I only take trade on levels. So if I find any good opportunity here at $3,450 approx going short, then only I will enter in a short position. Or if the price of gold dumps towards the downside till here $3,200 or below it, then I may enter in a long position. But obviously it can be very risky because gold is also somewhat near its all-time high only, and trading any asset when it is near its all-time high is very risky. It's like catching a falling knife or vice versa, you can understand. So as of now in commodities I am only long in crude oil, and I expect the price of crude oil to pump towards the upside, and I'm not in any trade in gold or silver. Don't have any positions in gold and silver as of now, and I'm just watching the market and let's see what happens next, especially in gold and silver. And I hope the price of crude oil continues to pump towards the upside and does not dump incessantly or in a sudden movement because of some news in the whole global market. And yeah, this is pretty much it in today's video. No financial advice. I hope you understand what my personal thoughts are. You can also comment down below what you guys think, and yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.